Hara Hara Mahadeva. Let's learn about the 20th Nama of Shiva Sahasranama. Om Sarva Bhutaya Namaha. It means, I bow to Lord Shiva, the remover of suffering from all beings. Sarva Bhutahara. It means, Sarva means all. Bhuta means a living beings or a creatures. Hara means the remover or the destroyer. Sarva Bhuta Hara means the one who removes the pain, fear, and bondage of all living beings. As Sarva Bhuta Hara, Lord Shiva is the universal healer and a liberator. He is compassionate not only to humans but to all forms of life, animals, plants, spirits, and unseen beings. He removes suffering and sorrow, fear and negativity, karmic bondage. Shiva's grace flows equally to all creations. On a deeper level, Shiva removes the root cause of sufferings or ignorance. He destroying ignorance. He frees all beings from the cycle of birth and death, that is samsara. Thus, Sarva Bhutahara also points to Shiva as the giver of liberation, moksha. Chanting Om Sarva Bhutaharaya Namaha helps us release inner pain and fear, develop compassion for all life, trust Shiva as the ultimate protector. This name teaches us to be kind to every living being, reduce suffering through our actions. See Shiva as the healer within and around us. Har Har Mahadeva. Thank you all.